welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a haul for y'all because I went to the outlets with my boyfriend for like a day. So I'm gonna show you like the goodies I got. We didn't finish shopping though. Like we got there like early in the morning. We left around like 8, I believe. Didn't get there around 11. We went to Buc-ee's. I love Buc-ee's. If you don't live in Texas, you definitely need to travel to Texas and visit a Buc-ee's. It's like the biggest gas station. Every time I go there, I always gotta buy a shirt. So I did get a like a Buc-ee's shirt, and I want to show y'all. Like I love Buc-ee's. Like I always go there for like the snacks and the shirts because every time I visit there, I always gotta get a shirt. So let me find. Oh, okay, it's this one. So I got this one. Sorry, it's like wrinkled. I just folded it. So it's like this watermelon one. It's super cute. And it says, "Life is sweeter at Buc-ee's." And it has like little watermelons. And I thought that was so cute. I have like a lot of shirts because every time, like I said, like we visit, we gotta get a shirt. And they also have like holiday shirts. So like they have Easter. They have like Valentine's and Halloween and Christmas. But yeah, I got that. So we went to Buc-ee's and then we went to the outlets, and I didn't finish shopping though. We didn't finish like doing the high end because it was getting pretty late. So I'm gonna show you the items I got. So let's get started. I'm so excited. Literally just came back hanging out with my friends, and it was a good day today. So let's get right into the haul. So first off, let's start off with H&M. Let me scoot back. I don't know if y'all can see me. The lighting, I can't really see. I think it's focused, right? Okay, so I got some items at H&M. So I've been needing like some basic tees. I found some basic tees because you know you can never go wrong with like basics. Like it's always like a must-have because you can always dress them up or dress them down. So I got this men's shirt. It's a I think regular fit though. Yeah, it's a regular fit. It's $6.99. And it's like this, how do you explain this? Like bluish gray. It looks really good. I don't know if y'all can see on camera. It's just this like nice oversized tee. I could wear it like with some biker shorts, jeans. I also thought like maybe I could wear this to a workout, you know, pump cover as they call it. But yeah, I got the shirt in a size medium because I wanted like kind of big, like a little oversized. So I picked up this shirt. I really love the colors there. They were like so pretty. It's like khaki, this khaki color, khaki sand color, and it's really pretty. I really love this color because I had a color like this, but it was a little bit darker. Sadly, I got bleach on it. But yeah, this is a regular fit too, and it was $6.99. Super cute. Can never go wrong with these types of shirts because they're a must-have. And I also, oh, they're not in here. I also got some little hair ties. Let me see if I can find them. So I got these little hair ties, just like these, in like a brown color on Amazon. And then also the checkouts. You know how the checkouts, they have little stationary things, and they always get you. So I saw them there. I'm like, oh, let me get them. So they're like $4, $3.99, $4.99, and it was a 3-pack. But my black one is, I think, my backpack. But yeah, they're like these huge, soft hair ties, and they're really cute, and that looks so aesthetic. So yeah, I got these type of hair ties. That's what I got at H&M. Next, I went to Aerie, the outlets. Like I was looking for some undergarments, but they like took everything. So the thing I've been wanting from Aerie is those like flare leggings. Like, and I had some of these when I was little, and it was like really hard for me to like find them again. So when I went to Aerie, and I've been seeing like on TikTok, like people are buying them. So they're just like these nice yoga flare leggings. And I got them in size small for reference. Because a medium looked a little too long for me. Oh my god, is this like lighting not doing justice? I'm so sorry guys. But yeah, they're like these nice flare leggings. I thought these were like so adorable and cute. And they had a really like good deal. So like I couldn't beat the price. Next is Victoria's Secret. Can never go wrong with Victoria's Secret. So first off, I saw these cute sleeping shorts. Can't go wrong with these. These are so pretty. When I saw these, I'm like, I had to get these because they were like really pretty. They have some other cute pants, little shorts too, but these were my favorite. So I got this like Victoria's Secret shorts that have like this material, like kind of like shiny. And the band says Victoria's Secret. It has like little glitter on it. Super, super cute. Like with a white tank. You know, look really cute when you go to sleep. And I got a size medium because the small look a little a little too small, but yeah. I got some sleep shorts. I got 2 scrunchies because they were like $1.99 each. And these are like my 2 favorite ones. They're so pretty. So I got this like this teal blue color. And the material is like elastic, like athletic type. And then I got this like fabric. It's like a mauve pink. Really cute. I love these. They're like a staple. I didn't have like these colors and this type of material. So I was like, why not? So I got scrunchies. I got a lip gloss because your girl forgot to take makeup. So when we're going over there, I forgot, you know, to take makeup with me. I forgot to take like a compact. What am I thinking? So I was like, shoot, I didn't bring any lip products with me. I didn't bring no compact. I'm like, oh my god. And like the outlets, they didn't really have like makeup stores or anything. And my boyfriend said, oh look, they have lip gloss there. I'm like, thank you. I totally forgot. So I needed lip gloss. And I got this pretty one. I really don't remember the shade. I'm so sorry. It was like a really pretty shade. I shouldn't have took it off. But this is like this mauve color and it has some glitter in it. It's like kind of like a dupe for the MAC one. But it has like applicator brush. I don't know if y'all can see, but the color is like this. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it smells really good. And like it's not sticky. You know how like some lip glosses up there? No, it wasn't like that. It's like really smooth and it looks luxurious and very aesthetic looking. So I got a lip gloss. I forgot to put this in my purse. I forgot I had this because my bag has been like in my closet and I haven't like filmed this. So and now I gotta put this in my purse. So I wanted to say thank you to duvolle for sponsoring today's video. They were kindly enough to send me their skincare system. So what's in your skincare booze? Yeah, I think you'll definitely need a skincare brush in your collection. So let me go a little bit more detail in the little brushes. So to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. So the cleansing helps with radiance in your skin. The exfoliating helps with like the skin texture, the appearance of the skin texture. So it makes it look more even. The pumice one for your feet. And they have the body one that's great for like self-tan, like before you self-tan. Areas of like your back, your legs, your knees. This is a great skincare brush because it has all four heads for like your whole body. And that's what I love. And it's water resistant, so you can take this with you in the shower. You'll need 4 AA batteries. That's the only thing that does not come with. And I love how they really put thought into it and put like all these little heads for different things for your like your face and your body, even to your feet. I think that's a really good deal. So they were nice enough to send me a code just for you guys because you know we're out here saving money. So for 70% off, it's gonna be coming out to $28.50. And you know what's also great about the code? If you don't want to buy this and you want to get like a styling tool, you can also use my code. So my code is Danyel for 70% off in all caps. I'll put it on the screen somewhere like right here. So yeah, booze, I want to say thank you to duvolle for sponsoring today's video and sending me their skincare system. Let me show y'all one more time. That's what it looks like. And I can't wait to try it out. And I post a picture on my Instagram, so go give it a like if you haven't followed me on Instagram. Pictures came out really cute. Thank you to duvolle for sponsoring today's video. So the body spray I did get is Wonder the Meadow, and it smells really good. And it has strawberries, freesia blooms floating through floral. So it's a very like floral scent. It smells really, really good. Item I did get from Victoria's Secret was this So Sexy Rollerball perfume. You couldn't go wrong because it was like $4.99. I'm like, this will be really good to keep in like in your purse. It was a staple, so I think this was like a really good size. It was pretty big too for rollerball, and it smells really good. So like I put it, so if I need like a little touch up, you know, when I go on date nights, I definitely need like a little rollerball to keep in my purse. So I was like, let me grab this one real quick. So next I went to Tory Burch. I was like really wanting a wallet and I saw this one. I was like really debating on this one or like the black one because you know black can go with everything, but the brown caught my eye more, so I got this wallet. And I love how it has like a little wrist thing, so like you know you're gonna go to the movies and go out with your friends, you know, a little something real quick, easy to go, and I really like that. So in the back it has like a little credit card thing. Let me open it up. So it's zippered. I have a little bit of cards in there already, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It has card holder on this side, card holder on this side. Has little cash things and a zipper for your coins. I have a little bit of change in there. I really was happy I got this because I really needed like a good stable wallet, and I'm like, okay, let me pick up this one. So next I went to Hurley. I got me 2 shirts. 2 for $5. You could not beat that deal, Boost. I was like, what? So they're actually 2 the same shirts. So at Hurley, my boyfriend was getting some items, like cream color shirts. Y'all can't relate to. I feel so bad. The lighting is not doing justice right now. Yeah, it's like these 2 cream shirts. So the shirts were like all extra large, and I was like telling him like, did you want a shirt? Because he wears like a large. He's like, no, it's okay. I'm like, okay. So I got like these. I thought these would be like really cool just to wear, you know, if you want to go and sleep in, or like wear biker shorts. You know me, because I'm always with like the comfiest outfits, or like to go work out, just like a throwover just to put on. And I thought it was really cute. So I had like 2 of these basic tees. You know me, Booze, I have to have my basic tees, and I really was like so happy I got like a good deal. 2 for $5. I went to Steve Madden. I've been wanting these type of sandals, so they had my size. I'm like, okay, it's now or never. Get these sandals. So I got these. Okay, I wore them today, my first time, so don't worry, they look a little messed up. So I got these like little studded sandals, and I thought these were so cute. I couldn't like resist because like your girl needed some new sandals. So I'm like, okay, these are cute for like spring and summer coming up. I'm like, let me get these. So I got me a pair of sandals. I definitely recommend getting Steve Madden sandals because they're like really pretty and really nice. And like it was really fun. I actually had a great time with him. It was our first time going on a little trip. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed like my video. It was a little quick little mini haul of items I did get. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!